this is my meditation room, my yoga room. It's also kind of my wardrobe as well. It's just like this zen room that I have in the home that I like to do stuff with, and recently it turned into my projects room as well, because I just kind of got so many bags at once that I'm restoring, and I need to clean all of this up today because I have a breathwork session in the evening, so it's just gonna be like a full out clean time in the afternoon. Shower time. You know, whenever I clean this part of the room, I'm always kind of redecorating it because I'm not entirely happy with how it looks. I also picked up this little Maranta plant from the Rescue Me section at the store. She's actually doing really fine, she's just a bit sad. And I think I'm gonna place her in this room to soak up, you know, all of the good vibes and see her thrive, because this is literally what I love most about, you know, just life in general. Taking something and then seeing it thrive, be beautiful, and enjoy life. Time to go repot some palm trees. I just absolutely adore Radley bags for walks. They are so comfy, they don't pull my hair because there's nothing on the strap. I have lots of space for everything I could possibly need. Just amazing and so cute. And look at this tag. Let me quickly show you my setup for breathwork. I have my crystals right there, a scolecite, a Caribbean calcite, clear quartz, and what the hell do I have? That white agate. Yeah, these are like my connection stones. I like to see them as the sand, the sea, the sky, and my Joy Serenity crystal. Then of course, water bottle. Everybody needs that. Here I have my sweet little iPhone 6s because I just love taking notes if anything comes through during breathwork, so I can just write it down. And of course we have Revelation Breathwork. I just love it here. This is like my view. It's just so pretty. I love breathing in this room and just enjoying everything, you know? So yeah. This is a 30-minute Friday release and receive session by Revelation Breathwork. You can join in if you want to. I'm always sharing breathwork with everybody because it's just such a good practice. And we're doing it over Zoom. So, you know, if you're interested, roll out your mat and come breathe.